Today we will be testing the Fusion Oscillator indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Fusion Oscillator indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 63 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 815 indicators with 330 winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 25 of the winning indicators. 9 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. And keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Fusion Oscillator indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. It's kind of hard to see just because everything is kind of set up for a darker background. There is, let's see, this line here, which is a white color currently. Go ahead and change that to black. Then you can kind of see this middle zone here, and you can see these areas here that are marked out in the green and red. And so basically this indicator is a combination of quite a few different oscillating indicators. You can read more about it on the indicators page. But basically, like I said, it is a few different oscillating indicators all kind of meshed into one, and the indicator is giving us a signal when all of them kind of converge together to give one signal in a particular direction. And so that is where the indicator then gives us these kind of bars here, these background bars. So you can see this red bar here, you can see this green bar here. And so obviously, as you can tell, the signal there, these bars are coded green and red. And so when we get a green bar, that is going to be a signal to go long because all the oscillating indicators have lined up to give us a long signal. When we get the red bar like this right here, that means that we are going to go short. All the oscillating indicators have lined up to give us a short signal. So that's how we're going to be testing it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal. You can see that we get that big green bar right there. And we get a reasonable little push to the upside here before it then kind of rolls over and pushes down the direction it was going in. So basically this is just a pullback here, but that pullback there, we were able to grab it at a soon enough position that we were able to get to our take profit before it then continued to the downside there. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we pick up another long signal right here on this one, and very similar to that one there. You can see that we get a reasonable little push to the upside here before price starts to roll over and push its way down again. I'm not sure if it's going to be able to break this level and go any farther, but it definitely rolls over and makes a heavy push to the downside. But we were able to get to our take profit on that spike to the upside right there. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a short signal right here on this one. And again, we get a reasonably decent little push to the downside there. We also get a gap down from 1 week to the next right here on this one. And so between those, we just on that little push there would have gotten to our take profit. And on this gap down, we would have definitely jumped below the take profit there and exited that trade as a winner as well. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It's free to join. You are welcome to join, take part of the conversations in most of these channels here that are free. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that our members are posting. For example, this is Sasquatch here. He is an awesome Forex prop trader, posting charts like this on the regular basis, where he is doing market analysis of the Forex market, marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest. You can kind of see how he has marked out these flag patterns and these channels and so on. Some of our other members are doing the same thing, kind of marking out their trades that they are taking or have taken, the winning trades that they're taking here. And then in general, giving some really great information for everybody to take advantage of. Our admin Jay is also got back into trading the Forex market here recently, but also trades the futures market. He's doing a great job in that area, also posting market analysis and charts and such. This is not our admin Jay, this is just one of our other members. But all in all, just a wonderful community, everybody helping everybody out, supporting everybody. I highly recommend that you join us and take part in the community. All right, back to our indicator here. Scroll this back here, and pretty easy there. So we have these 4 trades here, and all of them were winning trades, and so that does get us to the 60% criteria, obviously. This one's going to be marked down as one of the 100% winners. 4 trades in the 1 year's time. Not amazing, but also not horrible. You can see that the convergence of multiple oscillating indicators, well-known oscillating indicators together, seems to do a rather decent job of kind of pinpointing some areas where there are some corrections getting ready to take place in the market that could be easily taken advantage of. And so not sure on a lower time frame if it would do the same, but it will be interesting to see if it will. For now, though, it is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.